What's up? This your boy SI Rico, and today this video is sponsored by Maxspeedingrods. I will be doing an unboxing of their coilovers. They hit me up on Instagram with like, can you do an unboxing of our coilovers? I will be making a short clip of this video, putting it on the Instagram, and I will be uploading this video obviously to the tube. But yeah, so let's get into it though. Obviously, anybody ever bought a set of coilovers knows how heavy they can be. This box is pretty heavy. So let's dig in. I was finna buy a set of coilovers, like some BCs for my Honda CRX. And look who come through, baby. Maxspeedingrods for the win, helping out the small channels. Obviously, from right here, we see how well it's packaged. Packaged pretty good. Y'all got a good view? Yeah, y'all got a good view. So here's the top. Pretty thick foam. Let me set this to the side. And booyah, baby. Here's the coilovers. Little card. I'm already running a set of Maxspeedingrods coilovers on my 88 hatch. I think I have an unboxing of those too, but these right here look a little bit different than the ones that's on my Rex. I mean, that's on my hatch. And obviously the color is much different. These are like a burnt orange, and the ones on my hatch is a silver. Also, you got these two little, I think they're like adapters or like spacers. They're on the bottom of the strut, washers, Allen key, wrenches. But yeah, here is the coilover itself. Adjustable body at the bottom. Locking collar. I don't know what spring rate these are, but on my hatch, I know if I have them all the way, I think completely stiff, and my car feels amazing, bro. Like, these are the adjustable ones. So here's the little condom over the adjustable screw. I don't know where they're set at, but I know counterclockwise is soft and clockwise is stiff. Put that back on there. Yeah, but the quality, man, quality is nice. Here's the cover boot to protect the, I forgot, the strut and the inside. So the dust boot they call it. I really would like to know what's the spring rate on these. Maxspeedingrods on the top of the top hat. Bolts look quality. And the adjustment screw, you can actually hear the adjustments. I don't know if the camera picking that up. Yeah, and they have like some resistance too. So yeah, man, love it. Maxspeedingrods damper. Powder coating looks good. Looks like some solid struts, man. I really appreciate Maxspeedingrods sending me these to do an unboxing, because I really was about to buy me some coilovers for my CRX, and these guys came through, and I'm much appreciated. Super appreciated for you guys for sponsoring this video, and I will be installing these on my CRX real soon. My hatch should be running real soon, so I will be doing a review on the ones that's on my hatch as well. They don't even know that. They probably don't even know I already have the coilovers on my hatch already, but I still got to do a review on those, because these right here from those look a little bit different. So I'm gonna be doing 2 reviews, so you guys can look out for that, as well. But this your boy SI Rico. Shout out to Maxspeedingrods for helping the little channels out. Big love. Yeah, can't thank you guys enough. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. This your boy, Mana Rico. Some know me as SI Rico. And remember guys, never waste your time. This your boy, Rico, and I'm out. See y'all. Peace.
No one ever said it'd be easy. No one ever said it won't take no time. No one ever seemed to believe me. No one ever thought that I could make those rhymes. And no one ever said it'd be easy.